Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about range element 208V for Imperial part number 37491. Range element 208V for Imperial part number 37491 is a replacement part for Imperial brand range ovens. It is a heating element that provides the heat necessary to cook food in the oven. The element is rated at 208 volts and is designed to fit Imperial part number 37491. This element has two terminals and can be used as a replacement for other brands of range ovens. It is made of high-quality materials and is designed to last for many years. The element should be installed by a qualified technician in order to ensure proper operation and safety. This part fixes the following symptoms. The 208V element for Imperial part number 37491 is used to replace a faulty or damaged heating element in a range. It can fix symptoms such as the range not heating up properly or not heating at all. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the power to the circuit you are working on. 2. Remove the existing range element from the stovetop. 3. Install the new range element by connecting the two wires to the terminals on the back of the element. Make sure that they are securely connected and that there is no exposed wire or metal. 4. Securely tighten all screws and connections with a screwdriver or wrench as needed. 5. Turn on the power to the circuit and test your new range element by turning it on and off several times to make sure it is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.